Fence is down. You know why we're here. Don't bother with room right now, but the fence is down.
Yeah.
We come to do a quick R&R, if you know what that means. Remove and reinstall. Yep. One here, one here. So this is how we're gonna
Start it off.
go team you.
Go team. Yeah, baby.
This is the process, my boy. Room got us going. Yeah. Room is drilling. So yep, guys, this is the process. We're gonna existing one and get it loose. That is it. Stay tuned, guys. Entire concrete, which is probably about 4 feet down below ground. So we gotta remove it, extract it. Boy, all going. Yeah, man. They're trying to free it up, man. There's concrete down there. The post always rots from the top, as you can see here. Yep. Here is your guys' evidence of the concrete. This has been here for over 20 years. This is another piece back here. Quite a few pieces of concrete all over the place. But, you know, out here with no fear. It's done, and this is how it's done, guys. Yes, guys, as you can see, I told you guys, we're the best to do it. Look at that green concrete from 30 years ago.
Oh.
You see that? 30 years ago. Look at the color of the concrete. They don't make them like this anymore. I tell you, the devil just good. Oh, we just should be not straight in that same spot, you know. Don't move that concrete over there.
Yeah.
They're coming out now. They're coming out now.
Really, back front.
Colory and Ray. What is our weakness? You're telling me how to Beautiful job, guys. I don't itching. Just things. And what you had here? 92. No good. 92, 93. Oh, pussy blood, don't call them there, guys. 92, 38. Wow, bro. In 93, that's not good. But let's see the level. Yeah, the water is ready, no?
Oh God, no.
Oh yeah, long time, man. I don't know why. That side was what? 91?
91.
92, no?
Yeah.
It was 92.
I put it 92. So you might put this on it there.
92.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to put
put
2x4.
that one the thicker than the rest of them.
I'm gonna have to put a
So this is
2x4.
the all time one.
Yeah. So you'd have to put a 2x4
Yeah.
on that. I'll tell him that. Remind me when we go home to text him. Just keep one 2x4. With him, you may have to put a strip because everything matching from here, but the last panel is still in it. Yeah. Yes, guys, we did it. Somehow Rome did it. I couldn't have done it without Rome. Porridge, we could do without him. Look at the room. All jokes and fun aside. We did it. Under the devil juice. Yeah, man. Yep, as you can see, 24 hours once this dry up, they're gonna install the fence back into 1, 2, 3 panels. And that is it. Like this, we out of here. Like, subscribe, and share.